Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to send photos on WhatsApp. Maybe you want to share memorable moments or interesting pictures with your friends and family. So today I'm going to show you how to send photos on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, find the chat with whom you want to share a photo. Once you have selected the chat, tap on this paperclip icon located at the right side of the text input field. In this menu, tap on this gallery option. A photo browser will open, showing you the pictures stored on your device. Navigate to the folder where the photo you want to share is located. Tap on the photo to select it. After selecting the photo, you will have the option to add a caption or additional message. After adding a message, simply tap on the send button. After that, you now have successfully sent a photo on WhatsApp. The recipient will receive a message with the photo attached. They can tap on the photo to view it in full size and even save it to their device if they want. There you go. If you wanted to know how to send photos on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to send photos on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.